Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola G200 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll a little and tap on the display. Here we have to tap on advanced and enter the wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose from the live wallpapers, from Google Photos, which is actually your gallery, or the defaultly installed wallpapers. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we've just entered the options, the wallpapers which had been previously installed on this device. What's more, if you've changed your mind, you can always enter your photos just by tapping on this album. So as you can see, here we've got the on-device wallpapers, so I mean the defaultly installed ones. But if you will have the internet connection, then you will also be able to pick something from those albums, from the texture, earth, art, cityscapes, and so on and so on. So I highly recommend to connect to the internet. So all you have to do is, of course, enter the particular album and pick the wallpaper. If you'd like to check the preview, simply tap on it, and as you can see it will immediately appear right here. You can check it, how it will look like on the home screen and lock screen. What's more, and just by tapping on those arrows you can turn on or off the magnification gestures. So it means that if those arrows are turned on, you are able to zoom in or out the wallpaper. You can change the position of it if it is possible. If you will turn it off, you won't be able to do anything with that. Of course, here I've got some information about this wallpaper. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon here, and as you can see right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied. So let's go back and check, and as you can see it immediately appears on the home screen. Let's check the lock screen also, and as you can see it is also visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Motorola G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.